Hello, welcome to another episode of my smart home. Today we got some light bulbs to install. These are going to replace all my BR30 bulbs in my overhead pot lights in my living room and my kitchen. I went with um, the Sengled light bulbs, and they do require the use of a hub. They're Zigbee devices, and I intend to use my Samsung SmartThings hub to connect them and control them all. So I was wanting to go with the Philips Hue, but it was over double the cost to go with the Philips Hue BR30 bulbs. So I figured most of the time these will be on like 2700 Kelvin temperature, but they do have all the flexibility, basically the same as the Philips Hue BR30 bulbs, just in a light or cheaper package. So let's do a quick unboxing. Don't expect much to be in here other than a couple light bulbs. Boom. There you go. 2 bulbs. Yeah. Just as I would expect. Alright, I'm going to go throw them up into my can lights and see if I can connect to them. Alright, I got all my light bulbs set up. Every box had a QR code specific for each light bulb. So when you set them up in your app, you'll scan the QR code on the box, and I'll know which light is which, basically. So I'm gonna get to it. We're gonna start with the living room and move over to the kitchen. Alright, that's all the lights installed. So now I'm just gonna go around and pair them all to my SmartThings hub. Okay, so I'm gonna take you guys through my first try at pairing one of the Zigbee, oh my god, Sengled Zigbee BR30 light bulbs to my SmartThings station. So I'm in my SmartThings app right now. In my living room is where I have my SmartThings station. So I'm going to try to click on that. Charging status ready. Connected devices. No connected devices. Find, locate your devices anywhere. I'm going to go how to connect. Your station allows you to connect a wide variety. Your station can connect. So we're going to add device. So yeah, if you go on the SmartThings website, that's where you see all the partner devices. So I'm gonna go in and find, just search Sengled. There it is. Oh, can't focus. Hope you guys can see that. So we're gonna go lighting. Next. Install and power on the light. Yep. So it should pick up 10 of them total. Not doing anything yet. I'm going to try turning the lights off and back on. Hey guys, welcome back. So it's been a few days since my since the last clips there. I did run into issues syncing the Sengled Zigbee bulbs to my Samsung SmartThings station. And it took me a couple days to figure it out. Long story short, I needed to factory reset my station and then re-add it back into SmartThings, and that resolved all of my issues. And once I did that, I was able to um, connect with the Sengled Zigbee bulbs immediately. So it's a little frustrating, but luckily it was a very, very easy fix in the end. I should have known better, to be honest. But yeah, here is the SmartThings app, and just want to take you through what I did. So we're here in my living room. I have my living room is connected to the kitchen, so I don't really have a separate room for my kitchen because it's the same room. Anyways, I have all my pot lights for the kitchen grouped together, and to group devices together, you hit the three dot, or sorry, the plus at the top of the room you're in, and create lighting group, and then that's fairly straightforward. So I added in the 6 pot lights there, kitchen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and yeah, from there you could dim it down. Should get darker here. Dim it up, and they're multicolor bulbs, so you could pick whatever color you want. Tie it to circadian rhythm, and you could do other things as well there. So yeah, that's basically it for my main lights. They're all Zigbee lights connected to my Samsung SmartThings station. It's definitely been a pretty big challenge. You know, all the document whenever you're researching problems online with SmartThings and SmartThings hubs. Everything that comes up is always to do with the older hubs, the V2, the V3, AOTech hubs, and there's very, very little troubleshooting on the forums out there with respect to the station itself. It's such a new product, so I went with it because it is a new product and I like the features it does have, but you gotta keep in mind that there's very little support outside of that. So yeah, again, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.